You are going to love the 2017 RAV4 Hybrid. The Toyota RAV4 Hybrid offers a spacious interior, an abundance of technology, and safety features galore. When pairing all of this with a dynamic exterior, it's not surprising that everyone is talking about this vehicle and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: heated mirrors, all-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, brake assist, intermittent wipers, daytime running lights, four-wheel disc brakes, fog lamps, integrated turn signal mirrors. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.